हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल। सो आज के वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं व्हाट इज़ द इम्यूटेबल एंड इम्यूटेबल डाटा टाइप्स इन पाइथन, एंड दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इन द पाइथन दैट वी शुड अवेयर अबाउट इट। सो पहले हम देखेंगे व्हाट इज़ अ म्यूटेबल डाटा टाइप। सो विथ म्यूटेबल विच म्यूटेबल डाटा टाइप आर those whose value can change after they are created. Which means we can change the value of that element present in the data type after they are created. So we can perform any operation on that elements which is present in the data types. So we can modify, add, remove the element. So this is a mutable data type. So which are the data types are mutable? So first list, second dictionary, and set. These are the mutable data type, which means changeable data type. Sets. So we can change the value of this data type, or we can say we can change the element of this data type. So let's see how we can change it after get created. Suppose I am taking list 1 equal to 1 2 3 4 5, and I want to know the index. I want the character 3 instead of this 1, so I'll pass the index of that one character. So I'm taking our variable which is list 1. I'll pass this 1 at 0's index. So I'll pass 0 index, and then I want 3 instead of this 1, so I'll pass 3 here. And now I want to know my list 1. Here we get our list 1. Instead of that 1 we get 3 here. This is called mutable, which means we create this list, and after that we change that element in that list, or we modify that element, so we get the result. So this is called mutable data type, which means we can change it after it created. And same thing we can do with the dictionary. I'll take a dictionary 1. We can change the key values in the dictionary. So dictionary also the mutable data type, which is changeable data type. So here I'm taking name. Suppose I pass John, and age 30, and I want to change the age. Instead of 30 I want 40, so I can change it. So I'll pass that key here. So age, I'll pass age, and instead of that age I want 40, so age equal to 40. And now I'll print dictionary 1, which is our variable, so we get 40. So we can modify dictionary as well. So this is called dictionary. It's also the mutable, which means changeable data type. And if you want to know about the string indexing, string slicing, or indexing and slicing, so मैंने इस वीडियो की लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दी है, so go and check it. You will get to know clear idea about what is indexing, what is the slicing. So set is also mutable data type, which means changeable. We can add, remove element from the set, so it does not allow the duplicate value. So here I pass the set, and I want to remove 4 from this set. So I'll use remove function, remove, and I want to remove 4, so here I'll get the set without having the 4 element. So I'll print set 1. Here we remove our 4. So this is called set is also the mutable data type. So list, dictionary and set, these are our mutable, which means changeable data type. Now we'll see what are immutable data types, which in Python, immutable data type, which means we cannot change the value of the data type after they are created. Data types after they are created, we cannot perform the operation like add, remove, update element in the immutable data type, which means unchangeable. So let's see which are the data types are immutable. So first, string is a immutable data type. Tuple also immutable data type. Then float and boolean data type. These are immutable, which means unchangeable data type. We cannot perform any operation like add, remove, update after they are created. So this is called immutable data type. Let's see how they are immutable. Suppose I am taking string 1 equal to Python and I want, instead of, I'll pass index of this y, which is 0 and 1 index. So instead of that y, I want suppose t. So I won't get the output, it will raise the error. So that's why our string is immutable on this string. Once it will get created, also we'll see how tuple is immutable. Suppose I have tuple containing 4 element and I also want 1 in a tuple, so I'll pass index of that element, which is 1 index, because we count the index from 0. So the first element which having the 0 index, second is 1, so I'll pass 1 here and I want suppose 1000 instead of that 2, and now I'm gonna print tuple 1. So here I'll get a error because tuple does not support as item assignment. This is called tuple is immutable data type, which means unchangeable. The mutable and immutable data types are useful. So immutable data types are safer for use in that situation where we want to ensure our data is remain unchanged, which means we have to make sure our data is unchanged. At that time we can use the immutable object, and the mutable data type are to offer the flexibility for the situation where you need to modify data frequently. When we want to modify data frequently, once our variable get created or data type get created, then we can use the mutable data types. So this is all about mutable and immutable data type. So that's it for this video. We'll meet in the next video. So if you want to know more about Python data type, then मैंने उसकी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दी है, सो गो एंड चेक इट. So where I have explained with the example. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye, stay tuned.